Good morning. Oh my god. Okay, so today is essentially like my pre-birthday celebrations, so bear with me, I'm filming today, guys. Oh my god. So welcome back to my channel. You're here with me, Sinead, aka Ciity, and in today's video I'm bringing you basically a vlog of my upcoming birthday celebrations. I'm hitting that dirty 30, that milestone, so I'm really excited, anxious, nervous, stressed the hell out because basically I'm planning a games night with a few of my friends, and I've got a bit of decoration and I've hired out a space for it, so I'm just hoping that everything runs smooth and goes fine. But basically it's now 1:07. I've actually been up since like 9:30 today, but I've just been running around and doing things. I literally just finished off cooking like rice for my birthday to feed my guests. I have other food that's basically being catered. I will be listing on my Instagrams throughout the evening, so make sure if you're watching this video, check out my Instagram, because I probably will make it into a highlight because it's like big birthday, and then I have everything tagged there. But basically now I pretty much need to jump in the shower, and this is why I'm like, let me sit down and actually do like an intro, say hi guys, before we start jumping into like what's going to be the manicness of today. So yeah, I probably need to go because my friend's actually coming to help me basically take everything to the space. So I need to basically get ready, jump in the shower, get myself looking good so that I can move all the stuff, and then basically when we get there I'll probably tune you guys in again and you'll probably see all of us setting up. So yeah, like, let me go, because girl, I run late.
This brings back memories from my 30th.
So what did you got? Tutti Frutti? Tutti Frutti? Justin? Tutti Frutti? Matthew? Kanisha? Yeah, Kanisha? I would be shook too. You good? Mic in my hand. Go on then. Go. In ice. Happy birthday, dear Sinead. Happy birthday to you. Morning guys, morning. I'm not even too sure what part of the night I have fully filmed. I tried to film as much as I could, but I feel like I was so trying to enjoy. I feel hella mash. Not all the way 100% yet. It's what time? It's 10:47. It's the 1st of November, 10:47. So it's officially my birthday. It's like officially my birthday today. And I'm like, hot damn. Hot damn. Let me basically show you. I was up super late last night. Basically like just finishing off tidying. I think most people left by about 3 or 4. And then I just basically cleaned because I was like, I just need to get it done so I haven't got to wake up to it. But yeah, it's just so nice coming in and seeing. It's just so nice. And then we still have like my birthday sign up over here. That's still up. But generally most of the space is clean and somewhat back to normal. I feel like I'm gonna have some breakfast. And in typical fashion for breakfast, I am gonna have me some Coke. Birthday cake, literally have some birthday cake for breakfast. Start you mean to go on. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna eat, shower, eat, and then I'll probably come back and prop you up and just film potentially. But literally